Hi, I'm Kim. I'm with 6260 Haunted, California, and today I'm participating in the 31 Nights of Disween Swap. This is hosted by Jamie's Disney Kingdom. He's really awesome. You guys have got to check out his channel. I'll link it down below. And also, all the other channels that participated, I will put the links to their channels down below. I can't wait to see what they got as well. There were a few requirements for this swap. First of all, it was between $75 and $90. You had to create an Elster wish list. And then there was 4 themes that you could pick from. Haunted Mansion, Hocus Pocus, Nightmare Before Christmas, and Monsters, Inc. So we kind of let our person that we kind of put out our preferences of what we'd want. I personally chose Haunted Mansion and Hocus Pocus, so I'm excited. This was a blind swap, so I know who I got because they couldn't keep a secret very long on this one, but I'm really excited. So I got this amazing, awesome big package in the mail the other day. It has been teasing me, so I can't wait to get into it. Thank you. There's so much awesome wrapping. Oh, so today I am dressed up as Mary Sanderson. We could dress up if we wanted to, so I chose to dress up as Mary Sanderson. Just to let you guys know. Some of the channels are gonna dress up, some won't, but I chose to dress up. All right, let's open this. Oh, it's already a little spooky. Wow. There's lots of spiders. These look like little glow-in-the-dark spiders, and they jump. Oh, there's a card on top. Boo, open first. Happy Disween 2022. All right. Put that down here. Oh, what a cute little card. Trick or treat. Dear Kim and family, first off, thank you for being a part of the first year of the 39 Nights of Disween Swap, and I hope you love everything I got you. Open 1 to 4. The Spiderwebs bags. 2 are for Brad, name on them, and 2 for Hayden, name on them. Happy Halloween 2022. Love from your Judd and Disney friend Jamie from Jamie's Disney Kingdom. Then Jamie put his channel sticker on here if you guys can see. Okay, just a little nod to that. Jamie and I are both huge country music duo Judd's fans, and we've really bonded over that and Disney, so that is really kind of cool. I love that. Brad might have to hop in here. Okay. Open second. Open fourth. Open first. Okay. Look at this wrapping paper. I love this. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna open it first. I almost don't want to ruin the wrapping paper. Okay. It's so cute. There's cats and... I'm like, where did you get that, Jamie? I love your wrapping paper. Here. Ooh. Okay, Little Ears Boutique. This package is happy to see you, too. Oh, that's really cute. Oh! Oh my gosh. These are Haunted Mansion glow-in-the-dark ears. How cute. I'm gonna put these on later in the dark so you guys can see them. I love these. They're lightweight. Oh my gosh, I barely feel like they're on my head. Okay, love these. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jamie. Okay, open second. Okay, I really need to know where you get your wrapping paper. Ooh. It's a Funko. It's Danny with Binks. Oh, how cute. I love little Binks. And Danny. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I'm one of those people that'll open. I don't keep them in the box. Just so you know, real quick, it's part of the Hocus Pocus. And here are the different people you can get. So we got Danny. Oh my gosh. With her little Halloween costume. That is so adorable. Alright, that's gonna go on the mantle later. Open 4th, open 3rd, okay. Once again, adorable wrapping paper. The unofficial Hocus Pocus cookbook. Oh, that is amazing. Alright, I gotta see this. This cookbook will put a spell on you. Oh goodness. Roasted pumpkin seeds power snack. Ooh, that'd be a good one for Halloween, like trick-or-treating. Pumpkin pie. Okay, you've got to have the pumpkin pie. Oh my goodness. And there's, ooh, Parents Party spiced apple cider. Ooh, that looks yummy. All right, I'm gonna have to try out some of these treats. Maybe I'll do a video on that later because I love this. Okay. Open 4th. Okay, seriously. Wrapping paper. So cute. This is really heavy. Oh, it's got a straw. Okay. This package makes yours. It's by Sip Creations. This is amazing. Okay. Look alive. It's got my name in it too. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful tumbler. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. This is amazing, Jamie. I'm using this all season long. This is the best. I love tumblers. And this is just so beautiful and so Haunted Mansion. I love Haunted Mansion. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I can't get enough of this. I'm ready for the parks. Okay, and we got, I think we're down to treats, so I think this one is one I can open because it doesn't have Brad or Hayden's name on it. Ooh. Sour Patch Kids. Oh, it's Stranger Things. That is so cool. Actually, I really love Stranger Things. Oh my goodness. Stranger Things Sour Patch Kids to explore sweet and sour in the upside down. Very cool. Okay. And this is for Brad.
Go ahead and open it inside.
You want? Okay, Brad wants me to open it. He's a voice. He's holding the camera. And I know he loves these. Mike and Ike's. Brad already took it. Yeah, that wasn't gonna last long. And this is for Hayden. And this, oh, you've got Hayden 2 things. Okay, I'm gonna tell you, I will have him come back at the end of the video. Oh, M&Ms. He loves M&Ms. He's cuckoo for M&Ms. And more M&Ms. This is awesome. I'm actually gonna put them in the package and have Hayden kind of like open them so he won't know what it is. But I just thought I'd take it out real quick. All right, Jamie, wow. This was amazing. I cannot wait to use everything for Halloween. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This was just beyond. This is just, wow, thank you. I love all my Hocus Pocus Haunted Mansion stuff. Thank you. And I cannot wait to see what everyone else gets. So all the channels will be linked down below. You guys can see who I gave to and what they got. And they definitely had some different themes than I did. So that's kind of exciting. So go check everybody out. And I just want to wish everybody a very, very spooky, happy Halloween. And with that, it's time for me to say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, Jamie. Happy Halloween.